Hello and welcome to this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial video by ProfileTree. In today's video I'm just going to take you through some things you should keep in mind when editing on Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm going to create a new project and just keep an eye while I do this, as I'm going to show you exactly where the things that you create are saved. So if I name this project December Project and click Browse, I'm then going to go to my Documents folder and create a new folder called December Project. So let's open that up. And we're now going to create several folders, one called Edit, one called Export, one called Music, an Assets folder, and a Stills folder. So go ahead and open the Edit folder and click Select Folder and then click OK. So the reason I've done this is basically to show you how the Autosave feature works. So when I create a project, Premiere Pro will automatically create a folder within the Edit folder. It is important to note that you should save your project manually throughout the time that you're working on it. You can do this by pressing Ctrl S, or you can change that shortcut and change it to something different. However, the automatic feature is Ctrl S to save your project, and I would recommend doing this throughout working on your project, as Autosave will only save at random times throughout when you're working on your project. So it's important to keep it up to date so that you don't lose any important work. And as you can see, within this Autosave folder you have the Date Modified section. So it's important to keep an eye on that, as that will tell you your most recent version, which is useful if you think you've lost something. You can also get previous versions if you think you've done something wrong and you want to go back. So it's important to keep an eye on the Date Modified section of your projects in this folder. So that is just something to keep in mind. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments section below this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next episode.